Hello, everyone. Welcome to Enjoy Learning English. My name is Emily.
And my name is Paul.
We are so happy you are here today. This is a very nice place to learn English, slowly, calmly, and with no stress.
Yes, no stress at all. Just relax, listen, and speak a little when you feel ready.
Today, our topic is very useful. We will talk about easy English when shopping at a store.
Shopping. A very normal thing we do. We go to a store, we buy things, and we speak English.
Exactly. Many people feel a little shy when they speak in a store, but today we will make it easy. Very easy.
Very easy. Let's start with something small. How are you today?
I'm good. A little tired, but happy. And you?
I'm good too. This morning I drank coffee and I feel nice now.
Coffee is good. I like tea more, but coffee is nice too.
Yes, tea or coffee. Small things make the day better.
True. Okay, now let's talk about shopping. Do you like shopping?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. When I need something important, I like it. But when I go just to look, I get tired.
I understand. I like looking at clothes, but after 1 hour, my legs say enough.
Yes, legs say enough. That happens to me too.
Okay, friends. Today, we will learn many sentences for the store. We go step by step. Slow, slow, slow.
Slow is good for beginners. Very good.
First, when you enter the store, what can you say? Or what can the shop assistant say?
Usually, the shop assistant says, hello,
Yes. Or hi, welcome.
or good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Very simple. And you can answer hello, or hi, or good morning.
You can also smile. Smile is very important. No need for many words, just smile.
Yes, smile and say hello. Easy. Now let's go inside. You want to buy something. What is the first thing you say?
I think, excuse me.
Yes, excuse me. Very polite. Excuse me, do you have... Exactly. For example, excuse me, do you have milk? Good. Or, excuse me, do you have bread? Or, excuse me, do you have apples? Very nice. Now listen and repeat after me. Ready, friends? Excuse me, do you have milk? Excuse me, do you have milk? Good job. Now you at home, say it slowly. Excuse me, do you have milk? Say it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It helps your mouth remember. Yes. Okay, now the shop assistant answers. What do they say? They can say, yes, we do. Or, yes, it's over there. Or, yes, follow me. Or sometimes, no, sorry, we don't have milk today. Yes, no, sorry. That happens too. So let's practice. I am the customer. You are the shop assistant. Okay. Excuse me, do you have eggs? Yes, we do. They are in the back. Thank you. You're welcome. Very nice and polite. Now switch. I am the shop assistant. Excuse me, do you have water? Yes, it's right here, next to the juice. Thank you so much. You're welcome. See? Very normal conversation. Yes. Now let's talk about prices. Price is important. How much is it? Yes. Very useful sentence. How much is this? Or how much is it? Or how much are these? When you have more than one thing. Good. For example, you see a nice shirt. You ask, how much is this shirt? And the shop assistant says, it's $20. Or it's 15 euros. Or it's 30 pounds. Different countries, different money. But the question is the same. How much is it? Let's repeat. How much is it? How much is it? How much are these shoes? How much are these shoes? Good. Now, what if it is expensive? What can you say? You can say, oh, it's expensive. Or, wow, that's a lot. But say it with a smile, not angry, just surprised. Yes. Or you can say, do you have something cheaper? Nice sentence. Do you have something cheaper? Or is there a discount? Discount. Good word. Very useful. For example, is there a discount on this? Yes. Now let's make a small scene. We are in a clothing store. Okay, I start. Hello. Hi. Welcome. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have black pants? Yes, we do. What size? Medium, please. Here you are. Thank you. How much are they? They are $45. Do you have something cheaper? Yes, these are $29. Oh, nice. Thank you. You're welcome. Friends, you can do this. Really, you can. Yes. Now, some more useful words. Let's learn slowly. Bag. Do you want a bag? Yes. The shop assistant asks, do you want a bag? You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you. If you have your own bag, say, I have my bag. Good. Another word, help. Can you help me? Yes. Can you help me, please? Very polite. And where is it? Where is the milk? Where are the cookies? Where is the toilet? Very important sometimes. Yes, very important. Okay, now let's talk about habits. How to practice this English. Good idea. First habit, very simple. When you go shopping, even in your country, say the sentences in English in your head. Yes. For example, you see milk, you think, do you have milk? Even if you don't say it. Good practice. Second habit, watch videos. Watch people shopping in English. Listen only. No need to understand everything. Just listen. The sound, the rhythm. Third habit, speak alone at home. Pretend you are in a store. Say, excuse me, how much is this? Say it 5 times. Then change. Excuse me, do you have bread? 5 times. Yes. Small practice every day. 5 minutes. That's enough. And don't be shy. Mistakes are okay. Really okay. Yes, everyone makes mistakes. Even us. True. I still make mistakes sometimes. Me too. And it's fine. Okay, now let's review. Slow review. First, when you enter. Hello. Hi. Then, excuse me. Excuse me, do you have? Excuse me, where is it? Good. Then, how much is it? How much are these? Do you have something cheaper? Is there a discount? Then, at the cashier. Yes, that's all. Yes, that's all. By card. Cash. Thank you. Have a nice day. And always smile. Smile is number 1. Yes. Now, let's repeat some sentences together. Ready, friends? Excuse me, do you have water? Excuse me, do you have water? How much is this? How much is this? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Good job. You are doing great. Really, you are. Okay, now we want to hear from you. Yes. In the comments, write something simple. For example, write, I like shopping, or I don't like shopping, or write the name of your favorite store, or write your country. We love to know where you are from. Yes, comment your country. And if you want, write 1 sentence you learned today. For example, how much is it? Yes, we read all comments. We really do. Okay, now time to finish. Already? Time goes fast when we are happy. True, but we will meet again soon. Yes, next time another easy topic. Until then, keep practicing. Small steps, every day. Speak a little English every day. Even 1 sentence. It helps. And remember, you are doing very well. We are proud of you. Yes, very proud. So thank you for listening today. Thank you so much. Please like this video. It helps us a lot. And subscribe. Press the bell so you don't miss new lessons. Yes, and comment your country. We want to say hello to you. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Relax. You did great today. See you next time. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye. Take care. Have a beautiful day. Yes, a beautiful day. Bye. Bye.